psych. A pressure bus fight, and I nah lose my cool. Be hungry enough nights, still hungry I bus try. But me I want it out. A pressure bus fight, and I nah lose my
Tell Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel and friend them say, a peer gunshot of fire.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all this blessing and anyone that big up on the damn self, I don't know what if I love. KD Vybz TV, big up yourself, the whole Miami. So I said the whole New York, the whole Brooklyn, the whole Bronx. I don't know, Boca Road, big up yourself. That's what I say. I want first more give a special shout out to World Star Sound. Happy Earth Strong, my brother, DJ Money. Is it? Yeah, man, big up all of the July bar. You know what I mean? My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Anyone in there? I don't know nothing but love, see? Yeah, man. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell, my viewers and subscribers. Now, as you see the topic and the title of this vlog, you know, is the interview where Kartel farmer manager, you know, Rowan Butler, you know, he did a nice interview and I covered it, and you know, him say, yo, him knows so the industry system was after Kartel, you know, and he heard from sources in the system told him, and him tell Kartel to go in, but he never go in to clear him name for whatever reason. Now, my viewers and subscribers, looking back and thinking of what I made, and this is just a reason, you know. Pans thing 2003, you see me from Kartel and Ninjaman feud on the stage, you know. From this Kartel I get Pree, you know. My viewers and subscribers, tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. I don't agree with me. From this Vybz Kartel I get Pree immense because you could have seen Leng vex, Leng a screw, everyday a screw, the whole of Ninjaman crew a screw. You see me? Enough people did that school. Ninja fans them from worldwide, Ninjaman fans them from worldwide did that school. You see me? And as I can say, Rowan Butler said him never happy about it neither. Who's Kartel manager. So from this Kartel I get Pree immense. Plus when him start singing the other gun songs them and voicing his frustration and aggravation against the system and the government them and the police them. You know, but I don't know this thing going already going from 2003. It could have been avoided, but again the egoistic, you know, and the adrenaline and the money and the fame and all of the yes man them run Kartel. You see me? And big up Kartel, you know, this is nothing. I just reason why reason now. I just feel like I just talk. You see what I say? And all the vibes we do know, my kings and queens, my line. So I can active in the comment section, let me know what you think, if you don't agree with me or what. But from this Kartel I get Pree. You see me, because that was a big disrespect for Sting, you know. Sting didn't mash up, you know. You see me, because we see Be The Man come after, get him forward, but the stem and the vibes and the energy, the expectation, all of that swept under the carpet, swept away, diminished, disappeared, dissolved from the fight going on with Kartel and Ninjaman. See it? And if you go watch on the stage and see the Sting, because I just watch it back again, you know, you could have seen, it's like something was premeditated. It did plan because, and things did go on half the year, you know. Before things did build up. I don't know for what reason. So if anybody know, when they can inform me. But things did go on. You can't tell because Vybz Kartel say, yo, Trim starts singing girls and never call up him name like they want to take him for fool and this and that. I hear Ninjaman was calling up Bounty name, you see me? And then Ninjaman come on the stage. I mean, no, say if the clash it go on, you know, either Ninjaman and kill Kartel, you know. Because I know Ninjaman are the king of stage. You see me? With entertainment, he make you laugh, him look for you and Billy song and make gimmicks out of you and ration him long up him mouth and him lip and them sitting there wide up in him eye. You know, Ninjaman thing that. And don't forget, the Sting was built around Ninjaman. All of the Sting them. See? So from this up, Mr. Leng and everyday them vex on a school. You see me? From this up. Because them say, yo, this brother here get out of control, he not no manners, he not no behavior. And there was a big disrespect to Sting. Paint a bad picture worldwide, overseas, because they know Sting. Them time they people tune in from worldwide, all over the world, people flying from all over the world to come watch Sting. You see me? And then that will happen on stage, you know. But on stage, I could have seen when ninjaman walk, go to one end, them follow him, Vybz Kartel and him cronies, them follow him. You know, when he came back to the middle of the stage again, them follow him, and then Kartel go up to him. Ninja say, oh, the ninja kill a ninja. And Kartel say, yeah, gun kill ninja, you see me? You know. And ninja goes along. I say, ninja, hey boy, and then they say ninja like him touch Kartel, and Kartel say, hey boy, don't touch me now. You see me? And then it just kick off and this, you see me? What happen? And then you have behind the scenes, a whole heap of things that go on. You know, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so to be honest, even me, I was gutted as well, you know. Really kind of sad at what go on the stage and ninjaman get disrespect, because you know ninjaman a foundation, gold teeth, front teeth, original side teeth, middle teeth. That gargan, you see me? But from there, so fun and joke aside, from there, so the premiums are going. Even though Sting won again with Movado 2016, the Movado Kartel clash, that was the next clash again, and as I said, tight security was on stage, and at one point, Kartel said, hey boy, don't come too close, you know. You see how close Kartel and ninjaman was on the Furious kick off the fight. You see me? So we're going to touch on that next time to this thing, Movado Sting. Because all the thing they go on, they say, the two of them must slip up to you. You see, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, but I just want to put the point out there still and say, from this, so Kartel I get Pree, you know. Even before that too, but from this, so. You see me? Yeah, from this, so 2003, from this ninjaman from Sting, Leng them have him up. And then remember say, Kartel, let me want to keep Sting again, and Kartel, I over Kartel, lick them with some price. Look at how much million him say him did want, and Leng them say, no, them can't pay him that because, you know. And things, so from this to as well. You see, my viewers and subscribers. But I'm sorry, so it ended up that way. And the fight go on, because I know ninjaman, a big veteran of the business, set the business, experience, well loved, even though he have him bad side too, because I know ninjaman are mad as well, you know, you see me? And he's a good person as well, even though he's a bad person, ninjaman, you see me? Big up the guy gone behind bars, I don't know. Freedom's a must. You know what I mean? Some of you and subscribers, let me know what you think still. You know? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Saying, but to me, if I'm this Kartel, I get Pree. You see me? By Mr. Leng and every day. Right, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. But let me know still. You see it and you don't know. Some of them man they were up on the stage with Kartel. Not even one of them could have told him, say, DJ wallet. You see me? DJ wallet. You see me? But again, the adrenaline, you see me, and I don't know. Done up already, you see me? But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. And nothing but love for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. You see it? Yeah, man. Rasa Rick. I don't know. Check out Rasa Rick's song Produce. Please and thanks. And let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright? What you pull up? Yeah, man. I'm out.
Make you praise me. Me feel like you are a madman.